2.4 Story Time. Unity is Strength. Children, now let's read the lesson. I hope you are ready with your Balbharti textbook. Don't forget to keep a pencil in your hand to point out the words you are reading. Open your book to page number 21 and get ready for reading. But before we start, please write the date on the left side of the page. What is the date today, children? It's 16/9/20. Yes. Now one last instruction. When we are reading, I will tell you to underline the hard words, which you will do it very quickly. Okay? So are you ready to read the lesson? Then let's start. An old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. Underline the word village. Opposite of old, old man. Opposite of old is young. Okay. Now read the second line. The old man was worried. Underline worried. Worried means unhappy. And opposite of worried is carefree or calm. Next line. His sons were always quarreling with each other. Underline the word quarreling. Quarreling means to argue. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting. Now underline avoid and fighting, both the words. Avoid means to try not to do something. But his sons would not listen to him. Underline listen. They would fight for everything. Come to the second paragraph. One day he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle. Underline bundle. And what is the opposite for small? You have done it in first standard also. Opposite of small is big. Of sticks, and asked them to break the bundle into 2. It's so easy. Easy means what? Very easy, yes? And opposite of easy? Difficult, said the eldest son. Underline the word eldest. Eldest means the oldest, the biggest. There were 4 sons. So the biggest from them. And opposite of eldest will be youngest. How we say old, young? Same way, eldest, youngest. Now next line. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised. Underline surprised. Surprised means shocked that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. Unbroken means what? The bundle of sticks was as it is. The sticks did not break. And opposite of unbroken is broken. He used more force. Underline force. Force means strength. Next line. He tried again and again. But the bundle of sticks did not break. He gave up Now gave up means what, children? To stop doing something. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Underline the word succeed. Succeed means what? To do or to get what you wanted to. And opposite for succeed is fail. Next line. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Underline the word untie. Opposite of untie is tie. Now the sticks were separated. Underline the word separated. Opposite of separated is united. United, separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time means very short time, the sticks were bent and broken. Opposite of bent is straight. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible. Underline the word impossible. Impossible, opposite of impossible is possible, and impossible means not to be able to do things. Okay, impossible to break them. If you are united, underline the word united. United means to join together. Help each other and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. Underline the word enemy. But if you are divided, underline the word divided. Divided means separated, split into parts among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak. Underline the word weak. Opposite of weak is strong, as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. Underline the word meaningful. Meaningful means something important. This time, the brothers learnt a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team. Underline the word team. And that really helped them. So children, you will write all the underlined words one time in your rough book as homework and you will learn them. Also remember to copy the hard words and meanings in your English notebook from the PDF for teachers giving and learn the meanings also. And children, you can watch this video again and practice reading. So bye for now children.